So I'm going to be showing how to write an equation of an exponential function using a table. So as you can see, we have our table here, and our formula for finding an exponential function is y equals a times b to the x power. So what we're going to do is find a first, and to do so, we're going to plug in 0 and 5, our x and our y. So y becomes 5, and this x becomes 0. We know that anything to the 0 power equals 1. So we have 5 equals a times 1, which gives us 5 equals a. So we have our a. Now, what we're going to do to find b is plug in 1 and 15. So now we have 15 equals a plus, we have 15 equals a times b to the first power. And we also know what our a is now. So we really have 15 equals 5 times b. So what we're going to do now is divide 5b by 5, and we have to do that to the other side too. So we have 15 divided by 5, which gives us 3 equals b. So now when we put a and b into this equation, we get y equals 5 times 3 to the x power. Now we're going to do getting an exponential function that goes through 0, 11 to 396. So what we're going to do first is plug in 0 and 11 into our equation to get a. So we have 11 equals a times b to the 0 power. And as we know, as I said before, anything to the 0 power equals 1. So we have 11 equals a times 1, which gives us 11 equals a. Now we're going to plug in 2 and 396. So we know our a value is 11. So we have 396 equals 11 and b squared because of the 2 right here. And to get b by itself, we're going to divide 11b squared by 11 and also 396 by 11. And we're going to get 36 equals b squared. And to get the square root away, we have to divide it by a half. So we have to do it on both sides. So we have 36 to the half square root equals b squared to a half square root, which gives us 6b. So now when we plug 6 and a, when we plug in 6b and a for 11, we get y equals 11 times 6 to the x power.